5 in-flight tips for flying low-cost or budget airlines. Allegiant, Frontier, Spirit, Southwest. Getting from point A to B has gotten easier in the US, but these are airlines unlike those of the past. You might have questions like, what should you bring or carry on? How do you make travel easy and as painless as possible? Here are 5 in-flight hacks for traveling with low-cost and ultra-low-cost airlines. Number 1. Bring your own device. With varying levels of in-flight entertainment, it pays to bring your own. It doesn't have to be the most advanced either. For many years, I have traveled with a 7-inch tablet. Tablets, for example an Amazon Fire tablet, can be found for around $49. Tack on a case that folds into a stand, and you have years of in-flight entertainment for just $60 to $70. Number 2. Bring a charged portable charger. Most planes have outlets for charging, but there are some that don't. Alleviate concern about your battery and grab a small portable charger for around $10. Find them in your local big box retailer like a Walmart or Target. Charge it the night before your trip and throw it in your carry-on bag. Travel with less worries. Number 3. Duffel bag it. Avoid a few bag fees if you can by packing light and using a duffel bag or a small underseat carry-on bag. Using one of these bags with handles and wheels can make getting through the airport and airplane easier. Carry the bag by its handles when needed or pull it when going longer distances. Duffel bags or small underseat bags are also great for consolidating. Use the bag to store others temporarily, for example, a small messenger bag or purse. Number 4. Download airline apps. Most budget or low-cost airlines have apps, some with in-flight entertainment. Before the flight, download the app on your phone or tablet. By getting the app, you can see what is available ahead. For example, looking up Wi-Fi, TV, and movies. Airline apps also have boarding info, boarding passes, gate information, and other perks. If needed, you can also uninstall the app after your trip. Number 5. Pre-download content. It happens. Wi-Fi may not work on your flight. So what do? To save energy and time, download a few shows or movies. For example, Amazon and Netflix allow episode downloads. Depending on the length of the flight, download 2 to 5 episodes. During your flight, you can watch them and delete them from your device. Before the return flight, you can download another 2 to 5 episodes. Here are some additional bonus tips. What about reading? Rather than paying for a book, check out a book from your local library. It's free. Drop it off when you get back. Bonus tip number 2, check the airline's website before flight. Look for in-flight promotions such as vouchers and calendars. If you're a frequent flyer, this is even more valuable. Check for rewards or sign up to earn double the points or miles on your flight. Before you take off, check out links to products we have used below. Please also like and share this video. Did you know our goal is to save you energy, money, and time in travel? Subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.